in everlasting peace. Amen.
Thank you very much, the former Vice President, Kalonzo Musyoka. We have not forgotten that you stood with Mwai Kibaki when it mattered most.
Bwana Kinyo, because Mheshimiwa Waziri wa Elimu, I handled Changuli tragedy when I was the Minister for Education, like you. Those were secondary school young children. It was tragic. Then we came up with this amazing approach kwamba katika all the school dormitories, jameni msikubali milango ifunguliwe kindani. Iwe inasukumwa nje, at least watoto wanaweza kuescape. PS Sang, I think you are following on these issues. So this is important. But I also suggested that this school, because of what Governor said, we will also stand with this school and the parents of this school. I was going to propose a name in memory of these little ones here, Hillside and Darasha Memorial School. Tukumbuke hawa watoto forever. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Kabla sasa nimuite waziri wa elimu, I want to just thank you for coming. And I will tell you a very simple thing, that we as a community are not known to stand and look at things. For every action, there will be a reaction. That's all I want to say. For every action, there will be a reaction. It is that simple. There will be no more to say. Mine is to say that now, with a lot of humility and respect, I want to invite waziri wetu wa elimu ambaye nilisema he came even to Hillside, has been with us, his officers have been with us. Mheshimiwa Migosi Ogamba, karibu.
Yes, thank you.